Have you ever struggled with updating images in your app only to be left staring at a placeholder? It can be frustrating, right? If that sounds like you, stick around because today we are diving into how to update a placeholder image with an async image. I totally get it. You want your app to look polished and professional, but dealing with placeholder images can be a real headache. You're not alone in this. Many developers face this challenge when working with image loading. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how do I update a placeholder image with an async image when using a manager class to pull images from a cache or make a network request? Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the issue here? When you load images asynchronously, it can be tricky to manage the transition from a placeholder to the actual image. Understanding how to handle this properly will make your app much more user-friendly. And don't go anywhere. I have a great tip at the end that will help you streamline your image loading process even further. To begin updating the placeholder image with the actual image, the user should first ensure that the image loading function is called correctly within the build method. This ensures that the image is loaded whenever the widget is built. Next, the user should modify the state of the widget to reflect the new image once it has been retrieved. This can be done by using a state management approach, such as set state, to update the widget when the image is loaded. Now, the user needs to ensure that the placeholder image is displayed initially while the actual image is being loaded. This can be achieved by initializing the image variable with the placeholder image. Finally, the user should handle any potential errors that may occur during the image loading process. This can be done by adding error handling in the load image function to ensure a smooth user experience. Fun fact, did you know that the first images displayed on the web were just simple black and white graphics? We've come a long way since then, and now we can load images dynamically in our apps. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to use the Flutter image package. This package allows you to load images from the network with a retry mechanism, which can be very useful. Here's the tip I promised. Consider using a library like Cached Network Image for even smoother image loading and caching. It can save you a lot of time and effort. And there you have it. You should now be able to update your placeholder image with an async image effortlessly. Remember, a smooth image loading experience can greatly enhance your app's usability. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips.